Hey everybody, it's Craig from the Chameleon Culinary Company. I'm going to show you how to make a real nice, simple, fresh salad with some stuff you're probably going to find in your garden and a couple of things that might be in your cupboard. So I started with some cherry tomatoes, well, grape tomatoes actually, that I cut just in half. And then I've got these old German variety tomatoes, which I'm cutting into chunks, as you can see here, that are bite size. I don't want to put any, sometimes you'll get a tomato salad and they're like slices. I don't like the slices in a salad. I want pieces that I can put in my mouth as is whole. I don't want to have to take a bite of anything in a salad or take a knife and fork to a salad. That's just me. So anyways, again, bite-sized pieces of these old German tomatoes. So I'll pick up you can see here we've got a mixture of grapes and these more modest size. And then I'm just gonna take, this is some kosher salt that I've smoked. It's a product that we should have on the shelves in 2021. But if you got a smoker at home, it's something you can certainly do yourself. I double smoke it with cherry and apple wood. It is a long process. And then I'm going to take some nice extra virgin olive oil. I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of that in there. Probably not much more than a tablespoon. Some fresh cracked pepper. If you like a lot of heat and you got some hot peppers in your garden, don't be afraid to take some of those hot peppers and slice them up nice and thin. Dice them small, and you can add those in here as well. All right, now I've got some fresh herbs. I've got some fresh sage. Sage is a very, very powerful herb. And I also have some fresh mint. All right, another very powerful leafy herb. So I'm gonna start with 2 leaves of each of these. And we're gonna roll them up and chiffonade them. And I don't think we're gonna need all of it, but we'll see. So chiffonade is a really, really nice thin cut. So I'm gonna cut the tip off of the herbs. Let's see if we can get the camera angled here where you can look at that. And we're gonna shave it as thin as possible, just like that. Alright, you're gonna need a very sharp knife to do this. This one's actually even a little dull. I'm surprised I can get this thin of a cut. But there it is, a nice thin chiffonade. Alright. We're gonna add this to our bowl. Alright. And then we're gonna add a little balsamic vinegar. If you got a lemon or a lime or an orange laying around, it's not a bad idea to throw some of that in too. So it's a nice, fresh tomato salad. And we're just gonna toss that together lightly. I'm gonna take some plastic wrap and put some plastic wrap over the top and put that in the fridge and just let that set an hour or 2, let those flavors come together a little bit, and then we're gonna serve that with our dinner tonight, which happens to be smoked ribs. Show me what you are Tell me, at least. I don't think you can put photo comments. Tell me what you are going to serve your tomato salad with. Thanks for tuning in.